Alright, so we're gonna do Jonathan's TLX, and this is the lip. So I guess it's like hydro dip. So I saw someone in Facebook post something like that. They're like, oh, if you order from eBay, it's not real carbon fiber, but I mean, it looks like it. Looks good.
They don't know.
It's not bad. It's cool. Alright, so let's put it together. It comes with this. But I think that's for looks, if anything.
Looks, right?
Yeah. So it's all together in one piece. Okay guys, so in this part of the video, I just wanted to try it in the 350Z, my brother's. And here it seems like like right there fits perfect. So actually, I can say that this is a universal splitter, and a splitter does not necessarily need to be able to fit all the way to the back of the bumper area and tire. So I'm gonna say that it fits. So this is a universal, pretty much fit, to be honest. It goes a little bit more forward, but yeah, so it actually didn't fit by putting it together. So I guess it might end up looking like this, to be honest. But I mean, like, no one's gonna be looking at it under there, you know.
Yeah, because what shows is this
No,
part.
yeah, no one's gonna look at that shit.
My cat is probably.
Okay, so we have two options to like press this up like that, and it kind of blends in with the bumper, or we're gonna let it hang, and then you'll see the end result, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Angel.
What's
I
up?
like it.
Look.
I was gonna tell you, get some. No, yeah, get those.
They're literally LED lights. That's it. They're flex.
But definitely black that out.
No, yeah, dude. I know for sure.
If he can do it on fucking carbon fiber, then that would be sick.
Do it in carbon fiber.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No.
Like if he
That'd
can,
be cool.
you can wrap this in carbon fiber. Like that shit would be sick.
Okay.
No, that shit looks good though. Okay, so if you guys pay attention right here, the splitter, you look right there. There's it doesn't cover 100%, like meaning to the back of the bumper, but at first I was like, man, this doesn't fit. It looks weird. But after thinking about it, splitters are not supposed to be the same distance as the lip, because lips go all the way to cover the whole bumper area, meaning all the way to the back where the side well is, the tire well, or splash guard or whatever is in between the tire and the bumper. The splitters are not supposed to be like that, so that's the reason why this sticks out a little bit. And other than that, it looks good. As you guys see on this, I secured it with zip ties, and I leveled the zip ties to a height where the splitter looks leveled. In the beginning of the video, you guys saw that there was like those two metal sticks, whatever. those usually I've seen people connect those from the bumper to the splitter, but I mean I didn't want to make any holes on this bumper because the car is pretty clean, so I didn't want to do that. And you see that gap right there? That's exactly what I was talking about, but that's how a real splitter is supposed to be. So it's not a front lip, it's a splitter. Splitters are supposed to be like lower to the ground and stick out of the bump, away from the bumper. So yeah, if you guys see that, that's exactly what I was pointing out. Yeah, that thing looks proper.
It's looking mad elegant. Wait, so what do you want to do with your drill?
Oh, just put the Honda badge.
Oh, okay, so the back aquí?
Yeah.
Oh, John, right here. Right here.
Man, that shit looks too good, bro, to be honest. Not because I installed it, but it does. It does look good.